Happy Sunday evening. Walking out to give you an update on the garden, the vegetables. Sun finally came out late in the day here. Let's take a look. These are the beefy steaks. Very healthy. See some buds in there. See that? Beautiful. Here, the most successful, look at those Romas already. Very exciting. And here's some other success right there. Look at that. So proud of these Roma plants. Here's some more. And more. 4 plants. Rosemary continues to do really well. It's kind of taken over here. We have the basil doing well. These are the red bell peppers. You see that plant? It takes a long time for them to turn red. It's green for a while and then it turns red. It's doing very well. And here's our peach tree. Again, it's kind of young. It's a young tree. It's only 2 years old. So I don't even know if it's gonna get fruit this year. Big size fruit, but in the next few years, have high expectations. Here's another wonderful one. Look at that, beautiful. That's probably the best one, maybe right a bit. But we have hope. Jalapeno, you see that? The jalapenos are coming in. And lastly, these are the yellow bell peppers. You have a great night, and I'll keep sharing it because this is what life is. Being able to grow your own food and live off the land. Just as Lennie from Mice and Men said. Have a great night.